Okay, listen students. Now, eighth sum. If A, B, C are in AP. So AP means arithmetic progression. So formula T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. So B minus A equal to C minus D. So minus B convert to this side plus D, minus A convert to that side plus C. D plus D 2B is equal to A plus C. Prove that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. GP means geometrical progression. So now consider raise the powers of both sides. This 3 power 2B equal to 3 power A plus C. 3 power 2B means 3 power B into 3 power B is equal to 3 power A into 3 power C. Now this one 3 power B multiple convert to this side divide. This one multiple convert to this side divide. 3 power C by 3 power B. So this one T2, this one T1. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. This condition satisfy means 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. Hence proved. Once more explain. A, B, C are in AP. These term are in AP. To prove that this term are GP. Now common ratio T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So B minus A equal to C minus B. So minus B convert to that side, minus A convert to that side. So B plus B 2B is equal to A plus C. To prove that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. So raise the power this 3 power 2B is equal to 3 power A plus C. 3 power 2B means 3 power B into 3 power B is equal to 3 power A plus C convert to 3 power A into 3 power C. This is law of exponent, the laws of exponent. This one multiple convert to that side divide. This one multiple convert to that side divide. So T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Therefore 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. Hence proved. Okay, wow. Okay, ninth sum. Let the three consecutive terms are in GP or A by R, A, AR. So the product A by R into AR. R cancel. A into A square into A cube. 27 convert to 3 cube. So take both sides cube root. So cube 3 cancel. A equal to 3. The sum of the product of the terms taken 2 at the time is 57 divided by 2. A by R into A plus A into AR plus AR into A by R is equal to 57 by 2. So now A into A square by R plus A into A square R plus R cancel A into A square is equal to 57 by 2. Now all terms common A square. Take outside A square into 1 by R plus 1 is equal to 57 by 2. So A value 3. So 3 square is equal to R LCM 1 plus R into R square plus R into 1 R is equal to 57 divided by 2. So 3 square 9. This one multiple convert to that side divide. So 1 plus R square plus R divided by R equal to 57 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 3s are 9. 19 3s are 57. 1 plus R square plus R divided by R is equal to 19. 2 3s are 6. Now cross multiplication, divide convert to multiple and also divide convert to multiple. So 6 into 1 plus R square plus R is equal to 19R. So 6 into 1, 6 into R square, 6R square, 6 into R, 6R, 1 6 is 6. This term positive convert to that side, negative, minus 19R equal to 0. 6R square plus 6R minus 19R, so minus 13R plus 6 equal to 0. Multiple 6 6 are 36, multiple 36, add minus 13. So minus 9 minus 4. First term 6r square. This is factorization method. So 2r minus 3, 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2r equal to 3 and 3r equal to 2. This one multiple convert to that side 3 by 2 and also same process r equal to 2. Multiple convert to divide r equal to 2 by 3. The three numbers a by r, comma a comma ar. Now taken a equal to 3 and common ratio first value 3 by 2 is equal to a 3 by 3 by 2 comma 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel. So divide convert to multiple, the fraction are reciprocal. So 2 comma 3 3s are 9 by 2. Another one option. The three numbers take a equal to 3 and r equal to this common ratio 2 by 3. So 3 divided by 2 by 3 comma 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel. Divide convert to multiple. The fraction are reciprocal. 3s are 9 by 2 comma 3 2. Okay, once more explain. Okay, let three consecutive terms are in GPR a by r, comma a comma ar. So now the three terms multiple value 27. So a by r into ar equal to 27. R cancel. A into a square into a cube. 27 convert to 3 cube. Take both side cube root. So 3 cancel. So a equal to 3. Next, the multiple and sum of the terms equal to 57 by 2. So a by r into a plus a into ar plus ar into a by r. So a into a square by r plus a into a square r plus r cancel, a square is equal to 57 divided by 2. All terms common, a square take outside a square. So 1 by r plus 1 is equal to 57 divided by 2. A value 3. So 3 square, r the LCM, 1 plus r into r square, r into 1, r is equal to 57 divided by 2. 3 square value 9 multiple convert to that side, divide. So 1 plus r square plus r by r is equal to 57 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 3s are 9, 19 3s are 57. Now 1 plus r square plus r equal to 19 by 6. Cross multiplication. So 6 into this term, r into this term. So 6 into 1 plus r square plus r equal to 19r. So multiple 6 into r square 6r square, 6 into r 6r, 1 6 is 6. This term positive convert to that side, negative, minus 19r equal to 0. So 6r square, 6r minus 19r, so 13r. So minus 13r plus 6 equal to 0. 6 6 are 36. Multiple 36, add minus 13, minus 9, minus 4. Now this is factorization method, simplify you know. Now 2r minus 3 and 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 3 convert to that side plus 3, minus 2 convert to that side plus 2. Multiple convert to divide, so 3 by 2, r equal to 2 by 3. The three numbers a by r, comma a r. So take a equal to 3 and r equal to 3 by 2. So now substitute a equal to 3 and r equal to 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 3 by 2, 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel. Divide convert to multiple, the fraction are reciprocal. So 2 3 3s are 9 by 2. R a equal to 3 r equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 by 3 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel. This one divide convert to multiple, the fraction are reciprocal. So 3 3s are 9 by 2 3 2. Thank you. Okay, take the sum. The starting salary 60,000, increased his salary percentage 5%. So second year salary, so 60,000 plus 5% of 60,000. So the two 60,000 common, so 1 plus 5%. So third year salary again same 60,000 plus 5% of 60,000 into 1 plus 5%. So 60,000 common. So 1 plus 5% into 1 plus 5%. So 60,000 into 1 plus 5% whole square. So this process going on. End of 5th year salary 60,000 1 plus 5% whole power 5. So 60,000 1 plus 5% convert to decimal fraction. So 5 by 100. So 1 into 100 100 plus 5 105 divided by 1000 sorry 100 whole power 5. So now this one simplify. So answer 76,576.89. This value approximately 5 and above, add 1. So rupees 76,577. This one is the you multiply and you do yourself. So now start once more explain. Starting salary A equal to 60,000, increasing percentage 5%, second year. So this is first salary 60,000 plus 5% of 60,000. So this two terms 60,000 common, 1 plus 5%. So second year 60,000, 5% of 60,000 and this write the same. So 60,000 common. So 1 plus 5% into 1 plus 5%. So 2 times. So 1 plus 5% whole square. So 5th year salary 60,000 plus 1 plus 5% of 5th year. So 16,000 plus 5 by 100 whole power 5. 1 into 100 plus 5 105 by 100 whole power 5. So this one you multiple. So answer is this 76,576.89. So this round up number above 5 means add 1. So rupees 76,577. The end of 5th year you get salary 76,500.